Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome. So we'll be practicing 10 minutes of pranayama, which you can include in your everyday yoga practice. So we'll begin by sitting in a comfortable seated position, keeping our back straight. Raise your shoulders towards your ears. Roll it back, drop it down. Move your head to your right and left, just relaxing your neck. If you feel like, take a few circles, clockwise, anti-clockwise. A big breath in through your nose. Completely exhale through your mouth, letting out a big sigh. Our first practice for today is Bhastrika Pranayama, also called as bellow breathing or bellow breath. This is a cleansing practice. We're going to be forcefully inhaling and exhaling and expanding our chest and collapsing our chest. This again boosts energy. It's a great practice to cleanse both body as well as mind. So keep your palms to the side, thumbs in line with my shoulder. So chest is nice and open. You're not collapsing. Now inhale, reach your hands up. Exhale, bring it down. Here we're going to do 10 rounds and we're going to do 3 sets of it. So breathe in. Here, sit tall. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Again, inhale. If you're feeling dizzy, that means you're not breathing in completely, breathing out completely. Observe any other sensation that you're feeling in your body. You can, when you pause, take a deep breath in through your nose, exhale through your mouth. In case we are holding our shoulders tight, back tight, exhalation is a great way for you to just signal your body that it's okay to relax. Again, hands back here to the side. 10 more rounds. Notice how your nose feels. Sometimes the lining of your nose feels different. Observe. Breathe in completely. Breathe out. The next practice that we're going to be doing is Nadi Shodhana. It's an alternate nostril breathing practice that clears the energy channels, ensuring a free flow of prana or vital energy in our body. For this, in our left hand, we're going to adopt chin mudra, thumb and index touch, rest it on our thigh with the palms facing towards the ceiling. This way, you're receiving energy. And in the other hand, if you're new to any of the mudras, here, rest the index and middle finger on the space between your eyebrows. With our right thumb, we're going to open and close our right nostril. With the right ring finger, open and close our left nostril. The other way is same thing, hand position, just fold the index and the middle finger, adopting Nasika Mudra. Thumb does the same thing, ring finger opens and closes the other nostril. Now first, we're going to close our right nostril, completely exhale through your left. Just remember that you're not pressing, just close the end of your nostril. Now breathe in through your left. For the first one, we're simply going to breathe out through your right. So we've closed our left nostril, breathe out through the right. Breathe in through your right. Close and out through your left. So this is one round. So I'm going to count. We're going to breathe in for 2. Breathe out for 4. Breathe in again for 2. Breathe out for 4. This is one round. Completely exhale through your left nostril. Breathe in through your left. 1, 2. Close your left nostril. Breathe out through your right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in through your right. 1, 2. Close your right nostril. Completely breathe out through your left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale. 1, 2. Breathe out through your right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. 1, 2. Close. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4. So this is 2 rounds. Again, now on your own, inhale. 2. Close. Breathe out for 4. Breathe in through your right nostril. Close your right nostril. Breathe out. Relax. Inhale. Completely exhale. We'll be practicing Brahmari Pranayama or the humming bee breath. Here we are going to make a sound, a resonant sound like the humming bee. When I say run, the last n, you're going to extend on the n part of it. For this, with your thumb, close this little flap, the tragus, let it cover your ear. With your fingers, just rest it and on the bridge of your nose. You're not pressing your eyeballs. So your fingertips, the bridge of your nose, close. Now your tip of the tongue to the roof of your mouth. Again, you're breathing in through your nose. Now as you breathe out, and when you do this, just observe that silence or that, that resonance. This practice brings in with it a lot of calming energy, helps you relax and relieve stress. 3 more rounds. Place your tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Breathe in through your nose, and as you breathe out, you can extend the na sound all throughout your exhalation for as long as you can. Again, 2 more rounds to go. Last one. Drop your hands down. Take a deep breath in. Completely breathe out. Relax your shoulders. Roll your shoulders towards your ears. Move your head side to side. We'll end the session by chanting 1 round of Om. Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, Om. Thank you so much for being on this journey with me. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. If you think this video was valuable to you, please like, share it with your family and friends. That way we can have more people on this journey of getting strong, healthy, and fit both in body and mind. Namaste.